Yeah, hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this step we have to create the agent. We have to create the agent pool. Agent pool is nothing, it is a collection of the agents that use the same configurations with the uniform access and the visibility to your source and destination. So all agents must belong to one agent pool. So what you have to do, I just went to the data transfer service. I am going to create the pool. Okay, so let me create the pool now, and here you can take any name. Okay, so let me take an example like that on premise. Okay, like 2023. Okay, so display name would remain same, otherwise you can keep as it is blank. Okay, so let me paste here like the on premise 2023, and if you want to limit the bandwidth you can do that, otherwise you can keep as it is like the no limit. Okay, there is no limit is required to define here. So the pool has been created and you can see the pool name is showing here. For the confusion, let me remove the like the old like the agent pool. Okay, let me delete that, because while creating the transfer service, the transfer job, maybe we have will create some confusion, right? So let me delete that old pool. Basically, while creating the agent pool, it will ask you to enable the PubSub API. As the PubSub API is already enabled these projects, that's the reason it did not ask again. But basically, I think if you're doing for the first time, it will ask you to enable that. Okay. So thank you guys. We can connect in the next session. Thank you.